Good morning. Well, the Australian share market is currently sitting with a weekly gain of 2.6% right through to Thursday morning before trade, but profits are expected to be clipped off the table today as the futures are suggesting a drop of 0.9%. And it comes as overnight markets were mixed. The oil price lost 2%, snapping its 5-day winning streak, and it settled at $24 a barrel. However, new data suggests the oil price could now be supported given oil production is falling on a weekly basis according to EIA recent figures. Now elsewhere, the gold price has lost 1%. It's now at $1,688 an ounce as further COVID-19 lockdowns ease. Now looking at the stocks, tech names rallied up the most overnight. Amazon up 1.4%, followed by Apple, and Netflix shares chimed up 2.3%. While for the sectors, the drop in the oil price saw energy stocks weigh on the market. The S&P 500 lost 0.7%, while the Nasdaq, of course, was fueled higher and charged up 0.5%. Now, what to watch today locally? Well, Rio Tinto is set to hold its AGM today virtually. The explosives company, Orica, ORI, is set to report quarterly numbers, and Macquarie MQG is expected to give an update to the market. Now, in terms of a trading idea, Altium ALU, which is a circuit board company working with the likes of Microsoft, they had their price target lifted by Bell Potter to $37.50. That implies a 6.2% share price growth for Altium in a year. Now, based on Altium's operations, Bell Potter reckons its earnings could actually lift up to 41% in a year. Now, what else to watch? Well, on the economic front, yesterday we learned Australia's retail sales soared 8.5% in March as stockpiling pushed food sales and household appliances sales higher, while online retail sales soared 7.1%. Now, these trends have been supporting the likes of Coles, Woolworths, Breville and JB Hi-Fi. Now today, keep an eye out for Australia's March export data as well, which is out at 11:30. We'll learn how much we imported as well. And the difference between exports and imports is called the balance of trade. Now that will also be out. The market is looking for a balance of trade surplus of $6.8 billion as iron ore exports are ramping up. And we know this is so because Fortescue Metals recently told us this in their results. I'm Jessica Ramir with Bell Direct. Happy trading and stay safe.